think about Armagnac, they think about fortified wines. Now, while Armagnac does produce some great world-renowned fortified wines, the region also produces a series of very cool dry wines that are labeled under the appellation of Côte de Gascogne. Now, here is a very cool example from this area, and it blends 3 white grapes, Colombard, Uni Blanc, and Sauvignon Blanc. Probably a few that you've never tasted or never seen before. And what I really like about this wine is it sort of straddles a flavor profile between Riesling and Sauvignon Blanc. You'll get some very cool, clean, fresh flavors of citrus that you usually see in Sauvignon. And then you'll also get some Riesling flavors like white nectarine and apricot and peach. There's a lot of stone fruit in this wine. This is just juicy, supple, soft stuff that is so versatile. It's a great everyday drinker, and it's so awesome, especially for the price.